Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Malay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Clark International Airport and we're gonna pick up our friend from Austria. And we're just waiting for him.
So many people now.
Hi everyone, we're here already in ABC Hotel and we just take our friend in their hotel,
Yes.
in their room.
And he will show ABC hotel room
Okay.
entrance.
Hey.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. This is room in ABC hotel. Refrigerator have. Also have bathtub. It's good room. So we go into eat in Kimchi restaurant now.
Yes. That's
And I will take video
Mm-mm.
in Walking Street.
Because I'm so hungry.
So hungry. Okay. And we meet with Marcus tomorrow because he need rest. He long time traveling from Austria. That's why we not take video of him because maybe he want to rest first. But my subscribers know him because we already he in the video already before. Not so many people here. Now Friday, 5 p.m.
Thank you, sir.
Already working. Children grow. Look. Maybe rain soon.